Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you had an amazing Thanksgiving with your friends and family. I know I did. I'm jumping on today to share with you some AliExpress items that I've hauled, and I've got an Alina Crafts project I want to share with you, so I'm just going to dig right on in. Also, I wanted to let you know that AliExpress is having a Black Friday sale in case you're not aware, so definitely check out the sale because a lot of the items are discounted. Check the description box below because I will leave some suggestions on some items that I think you may want to take advantage of. Alright, so with that being said, let me share with you the first die that I picked up off of Ali. I picked this die up right here, and it creates a really cute gift box. It's small, but it's super tiny. Not super tiny, it's super cute. And let me show you what it looks like. And the thing that I like about this die is that it does come with a layering piece. So you get a layering piece for the tag, and then a layering piece for the pocket. And what it creates is this super cute little treat pouch. Now, you can put whatever you want in the little treat pouch. As you can see, I decorated mine with a cute little bow, and I was able to stick in a peppermint bark. I love peppermint bark at Christmas time, and I thought this was so cute, and it just fit in there super perfect. So that's what I did. I put little peppermint barks in the little tag, and then you can poke a hole. It doesn't have a hole, but I did punch a hole with my hole punch, and then I did die cut out the word Merry. Again, used a cute little bow, and you can also layer the back as well with the layering piece. And I thought this would be really cute to attach to a little gift or put in a stocking stuffer. And then also you can put other little goodies in there. It doesn't have to be candy, but I wanted to share that with you because I thought that was really, really cute. All right, so up next, I picked up this die right here, and it's like, what in the world? But it creates bows. And what I was able to do was I was able to create a felt bow using that die set, and it comes with like 3 different sizes. I think this is the medium size. I can't remember, but I just thought, how super cute is this? Now, I did use some pretty thick felt when creating this bow, but you can use some thinner felt if you want, but I wanted to share that with you because this would be really cute to add to packaging for Happy Mail or just any type of gifting. So I wanted to share that because I like the way it folds in, and it's just really pretty. So I picked that set up. Now the next die, or actually the next little dies I want to share with you come from Alina Crafts. And it is this super cute little pocket die. It comes with 4 little tiny little words that say friend, XOXO, love, and what does that one say? Gift. And then it has a piece right here to create 2 little holes for the little jean pocket. And then it comes with 2 of these little pieces right here. One is a decorative piece that just allows you to do decorative stitching in your jean pocket, and then one actually allows you to cut a decorative edge on the pocket. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so here you can see, let me show you my example. I have all the little pieces cut out, and as you can see, I made the little pocket. I cut the jean pocket out twice, and then I went back and die cut the little decorative edge, and I created a pocket. As you can see, I have these little sunglasses peeking out of the pocket, so you can, you know, insert a gift card or whatever you want inside the pocket. And then the tiny little words, look how super cute those are. I cut them out of gold foil, and I just love the way they looked. And then I did cut some out of white cardstock, and that is the only one that made it downstairs. But you can see that it's really, really cute, and you can read the words pretty clearly. So that is my first little example. And then here is another one that I made. I was kind of working with some Christmas paper, and that one just says XOXO. And there's where you can see you can die cut out the holes for the little pocket. And now I'm going to show you the card that I created with that die. Here is the card, and I think it came out really adorable. Again, there's the pocket. I didn't do the layering piece on this. I decided to turn it into a pocket just on top. I used the Alina Craft heart banners flags that's in her store right now, and then you can see where I used the love and the XOXO and the friend. And I'm sorry that's so shiny. Let me zoom back out. But I love the way that this looks. I added some bling to the little pocket, and then I die cut out happy birthday, and this little heart die is a die from her store, and I think it came out super cute. It's a birthday card, so yeah, it's a really fun die. And then I did layer it with the wonky square wavy edge square die that's also in Alina's store, and I think that came out really, really nice. So that's the pocket die. And then here is the banner die with the little hearts. And then this is the layered square set that I picked up as well. And then the last little thing I wanted to share with you is just some sequins that came in. I just love this sequence. It's so pretty, and I think it's like $1 per pack, but it's gorgeous. And I had to get it in purple, and they're like little hexagon shapes, I think. And then they gave me like a little free sample, which I thought was kind of nice. But that is my quick little share for you today. I hope that you shop till you drop. Thanks for stopping by. Leave me a comment, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.